Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Today we are going to make one of my favorite dinners, and it's fried cube steak. Now there are 1,000 recipes that you can make fried cube steak, but today my favorite way to make this is to just fry it. Put some salt, pepper on it, and put some butter in a fry pan and just fry it up and have it with A1 steak sauce. Now the two sides that I'm going to serve with this is rice-a-roni and some collard greens. Now I hope all of you enjoy this short little video of my fried cube steak. Alright you guys, don't those look gorgeous? These are my fried cube steaks. Well, they haven't been fried yet, but these are my cube steaks. Anyways, I've got some salt and pepper on them, and now I'm going to put them in a fry pan and I'm going to fry them up. Now, I've got our seasoned collard greens going right here. And then also, now here is my cube steak. I put them on into the fry pan right here. And I'm going to fry these on up. There's my rice-a-roni. I got pre-made up right there. Alright everyone, here is my fried cube steak. Look how good that looks with my A1 sauce pairing. I've got some rice-a-roni and also some collard greens. I want to thank everybody for watching this short video on my fried cube steak. Please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that way every time I come on you know. I want to thank all my subscribers. Take care. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope everyone enjoys this video of fried cube steak. Bye bye.